Welcome to my series of ClickUp tutorials. In this episode, we're getting to know the word monster known as ClickUp ClickApps. ClickApps are additional functionalities in the tool that you can turn on or off based on your needs. In this episode, I'll show how to activate them and present a few of the most used ones so that you can customize your ClickUp into an even more productive tool for your needs. ClickApps are additional functionalities in ClickUp, and there are almost 40 different ones available. Some of them are features used directly in tasks, such as priority indicator, tags, time tracking, and time estimates, while others are more generic to ClickUp use, such as dashboards or automation. You can enable all of the ClickApps or just take into use a few relevant ones. Let's have a look at some of the ClickApps in more detail. You can access ClickUp settings from the bottom left menu. Most of the features are extremely easy to take into use. Just click on the Enable ClickUp button. To start with the first one in the list, automation means that you can automate some of the work in ClickUp based on rules. The tool has some predefined rules, but you can create your own as well. An example of an automation would be to have ClickUp automatically assign new tasks to a certain person or close a task after a certain time period. Scrolling down, we have custom fields, and I have a separate tutorial prepared for the use of these. In short, custom fields allow you to add and track any kind of data in a task, so you're not limited to just those fields that ClickUp offers by default. Next, we have dashboards, and these are particularly useful for visual representation of ClickUp data. You can create all kinds of graphs, be it a pie chart, bars, lines, or something else, and combine them with calculations or lists to display all of the information in one view. Dashboards are very easy to create and maintain, and I find them particularly useful when presenting ClickUp information to management, as they allow to choose and show relevant information in a great format. The next useful feature is email, and this means that you can link your existing email address to ClickUp. For many of those with Outlook inboxes full of emails, you can install a ClickUp add-on which allows you to directly convert any email message into a ClickUp task with a click of a button. Scrolling below, we have nested subtasks. And these I find extremely useful when ClickUp is used for several different work areas. I typically hear people complain that the ClickUp structure and hierarchy isn't enough, and this is where nested subtasks come into play. You can create subtasks all the way up to 7 levels. On the same level to the right, we have priority. We all know that not every task has the same importance, so this ClickApp allows you to set priorities from high to low. Scrolling down, tags are one of my most favorite features in ClickUp. This allows you to create as many tags as you like and add them to tasks based on your needs. Tags are completely separate from the rest of the ClickUp structure, and they are extremely easy to create and maintain. You can build views based on tags and use them to group and manage tasks together that would otherwise belong to separate work areas in your ClickUp structure. On the level below, we have tasks in multiple lists. I find this particularly useful in projects and portfolio management, as you often need a space for the experts to work in, but then leading and tracking the developments requires a different view. With this ClickApp functionality, you can have the same task visible in several lists, one for the project team and one for the project manager leading several initiatives. Finally, there are several time-related ClickApps, of which I strongly recommend to use at least those related to time estimates and time tracking. I don't know many companies where planning and keeping track of time isn't a normal part of their business. For planning purposes, use time estimates. You can define estimates on task level or set up times at subtask level, and ClickUp will automatically calculate the task total for you. Same for time tracking, you can do this on multiple levels. If you're billing for the work, you can make it an integral part of ClickUp Task Management with this feature.